Hey everybody, Phil Craig here, and I just wanted to give you an update on our 40-day challenge, our 40-day inspirational, motivational, and transformational challenge that is starting May 17th. These are going to be 40 awesome days. Some days you're going to be doing some homework. Some days you're going to be seeing our Facebook Live videos from our private group. I mean, it's just going to be so much. But what I wanted to tell you today is that we added on 4 more classes, right? 4 bonus classes outside of the main classes. So these 4 classes are going to be inspirational to you and hopefully life-changing. And those 4 classes is how to start your business one-on-one, leveraging your money, creating good credit, and using your God-given ability to create income sources. So if you haven't registered, register today. Registration is ended on May the 16th at 12 p.m. and we are not adding any more on there. So you can click on the link in this email today. Get your spot. Is only $60. And remember, $60 can take you a mighty long way in this 40-day challenge. So God bless you. Hope to see you there. Go ahead and register today. Bye-bye.